Moving on to the next update, well, the Surya Kiran Aerobatics team of the Indian Air Force will hold an air show over Guwahati airspace today to celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The air show, which will start at 10:25 am and end at 11 am, will be held at the Lachit Ghat in Guwahati and will also be visible from the Kachari Ghat, Uzan Bazar, and the northern banks of the river Brahmaputra. The air show is being organized by the Eastern Air Command in association with the Assam government. Ferry services from all the three river banks of Guwahati and North Guwahati will remain suspended between 9 am and 11:30 am on Tuesday due to the air show.